Hi everybody, welcome to Shell Lectures. So today we'll be learning some sentences that sound good to make our conversation more reliable and to make our conversation more sweet when we converse with other people. So let's go with the first sentence. He appeared relaxed despite the danger. So what's the meaning of the word despite? There are a lot of words which mean the same as this word does. It's nothing but though. We usually use the word though in every place that we find, in every place where we find such a word to be used. Like words like despite, in spite of, although, even though, nevertheless, all these words can be just substituted with though. So though is nothing but though he is poor, he is happy. He is poor, even then he is happy, right? So though he is poor, he is happy. Here the same thing, despite, the word means the same. He appeared relaxed despite the danger. Though there was a danger which was impending, he appeared relaxed. Okay, so he appeared relaxed despite the danger. Instead, you can even use the word in spite of the danger. Okay, both of these words mean the same. Both of these expressions mean the same. Now let's get into the second one. Our vacation was a lot of fun in spite of the cold weather. Though it was a cold weather, though the weather did not suit so much, our vacation was a lot of fun. Okay, so here also you can substitute the word in spite of with though. So our vacation was a lot of fun in spite of the cold weather. And then we have the third one. He is my worst enemy and yet I admire him as the wisest man in the world. He is my worst enemy, even then I admire him as the wisest man in the world. Here even the word even then, you can substitute the word yet with even then. So it again comes to the same story which we had been talking about regarding the first two sentences. He is my worst enemy, but even then I admire him so much. So he is my worst enemy and yet I admire him as the wisest man in the world. And then the fourth sentence, we were able to win the overall championship since you joined the team. Here the word since can be substituted with as or because. Okay, so all these words mean the same. So we won the overall championship. We were able to win the overall championship only because you joined the team. Since you joined the team. There is also another one place where the word since can be used, which will be talked about in the later videos. So here the word since means as. The other since means something which is related to time period. And then we have the fifth one. I love wearing this watch. However, it's very expensive. Okay, so here also the same thing. Actually, most of the expressions which we use in English beat around the bush and they talk about the same thing. So here also, I love wearing this watch. However, it's very expensive. Though it's very expensive, I love wearing this watch. Okay, but the usage of the word however, the place where we use this word is very indispensable. You cannot use the word however anywhere in the sentence. The usage should be very apt. The place where you use the word should be very apt and proper. And then we have sixth one. He was very tired. Nevertheless, he went on walking. So not even minding the fact that he was very tired, he went on walking. So here also the word nevertheless more or less means similar to though, even though, although, despite, in spite of. But the way we use it and the place where we use it makes us to use a lot of new words in those places. And then we have seventh one. Without further delay, let's wind up the meeting. So without delaying further, that is without delaying more. Okay, without delaying more, let's end up this meeting. That is what the sentence means. And then we have the eighth one. The nearest house was much farther than she thought. Here the word farther means very far away. So she thought that the source said nearest house which she thought was really far away from her house. But she thought that it would be nearer, but it was far away. So much farther than she thought. And then the ninth one, she spent 4 years studying for her law degree. Meanwhile, she continued to work at the bank. So at the same time, here the word meanwhile can be substituted with the phrase at the same time. So she spent 4 years studying for her law degree, but at the same time, she continued to work at the bank. So instead you can use the word meanwhile. And then we have the 10th one. He wore headphones and spoke into a microphone simultaneously. The word simultaneously means doing two actions at the same time. Okay, we say multi-talented, but this is just bi-talented because doing just two works at the same time. So he wore headphones and at the same time he's also speaking into a microphone, right? So he's doing two actions at the same time. So we have to use the word simultaneously. Instead of saying at the same time, you can use the word simultaneously only because it sounds good. So that's it for today. Soon I'll be meeting you with a lot of videos based on sentences that sound good. So you have to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned to all of my further videos. Like and share this video to whomever you know. Thank you.